How to fix keeps dropping calls on Samsung A08. Let's start the video first of all. If you want to fix this problem, insert SIM. So hold phone and insert pin here. Remove SIM tray. After remove SIM tray, again insert SIM tray. We will see. After insert SIM tray, your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so open quick settings panel, click on this power icon and click on restart. Again tap on this restart icon, your phone is restart. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management, click on reset and reset mobile network settings. Reset setting, enter phone pin, click on continue. Again click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.